cross on the next one. Thank you.
All right. Heading out on Thunderation. Nice mine train. Definitely got my Adventure Express vibes here. A lot faster so far. Oh! Yeah! Got some kick! Woo! It's like a mine train that goes like a bat out of hell! Woo! Oh my gosh, there's actually a drop on it after this lift hill. I got glasses on.
I got them too.
Woo! Here we go. Oh, nice curving big turn. Woo! Yeah! It's like one of the few roller coasters I've ever been on that ends in a drop. Fun mine train.